Good morning, class family. It's a thankful Thursday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow on with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with today's date. January 5th, 2023. Dear class family, today is Thursday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letter sounds and vowels. Next, we will learn how to tap out CVC words. Then, we will tell the difference between fiction and nonfiction books. Last, we will read the list of topics and add more ideas. After that, we will do Literacy Center's Love Miss Joyner. All right, class family, let's go ahead and look back and reread the message. Remember, good readers read things again. It's called rereading. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start the abbreviation for this month. I see a JAN period. What does that stand for? It is January. If you remembered that, great job. I noticed there's a capital letter J at the beginning, like J, J, J. Good writers and mathematicians make sure to always start the month of the year with a capital letter. Let's reread the whole date now. Are you ready? January 5th, 2023. After the date, let's reread our greeting. Dear class family, after the greeting, look at the punctuation mark. It starts on the line and does a little curve. What is that called? It is a comma. Pat yourself on the back if you remember that. And let's go ahead and look at the first telling sentence and reread it. Before we start to reread this sentence, notice how it starts with a capital letter. Good writers start every sentence with capital letters. As we are rereading and understanding the words on the page, also notice the capital letters that begin every single sentence in our message. Are you ready for the first sentence? Let's reread it. Today is Thursday. It is Thursday, and it's a thankful Thursday. Look at the next sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. You know, each day we work on being a great collaborator, communicator, and creative and critical thinker. While we are doing this today, remember, when you're a great communicator, you're going to listen, you're going to speak loud and clear for all to hear, you're going to use writing and drawing to communicate your ideas, you're going to ask and answer questions as well as make connections. Okay, so then we will tell the, before we do that, first we will learn letter sounds and vowels. Okay, so just like we do every day at school, we're going to work on letter sounds and vowels. Remember, all day long, you're going to practice being a great communicator. Use your mouth to speak and your ears to listen. When we're practicing letters and sounds, we'll use our word wall as a resource. We'll sing the traditional ABC song while signing it in American Sign Language. And we'll go through every single letter through A to Z, like A, apple, A, B, bat, ba, C, cat, ka, D, dog, d, all the way to Z, zebra, z. Now, after we review the letters and sounds, let's go ahead and work on the vowels too. Notice on the word wall how the cards that have red in the background, those are the vowels. Let's start at the beginning of the alphabet with the first vowel that you see. Ready to review? A, apple, A. E, ed, E. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah, and U, up, all of these short vowel sounds are going to be within the CVC words we're going to work on today. Next, we will learn how to tap out CVC words. We're going to be tapping it out two different ways. We're going to tap it out like this, like beginning, middle, ending sound, and they say the whole word. And we're going to revisit our list of short vowel words that are CVC words. And we're also going to use the CVC word song. Oh, and when we do the CVC word song, we're going to tap it out a different way. We're going to first tap it out like beginning, middle, ending sound and say the full word. And then when we dance and we say it out loud and we're using the YouTube channel, we're going to go ahead and do head, shoulders, and then waist. And that'll be for the beginning, middle, and ending sound, and then we'll clap the whole word. All right, let's practice some short vowel I words at this time. Look at the first picture. Do you see what it is right here? All right, let's tap it with our fingers. P-ig, pig. Next one. W-ig, wig. B-itten, bin. F-itten, fin. Next one. P-itten, pin. T-itten, tin. All right, so we're going to work on CBC words. It's going to be awesome. All right, so then we'll tell the difference between fiction and nonfiction books. Remember, dun, 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 fiction. Fictional texts are texts made up by an author that are not true. All right, so fiction texts are books made up by the author, and they are not true. And non-fiction texts are texts that teach, inform, and explain real things. We'll be looking at fiction and nonfiction texts and doing a sort. It'll be so much fun. We're going to put them in categories to see which books are fiction and which ones are nonfiction. Okay, and also, last, we'll read the list of topics and add more ideas. We're going to look back at our list of topics of all those nonfiction topics that we can write about. And we're going to look back, we're going to reread the list. And if you have some more ideas, we're going to add to that list. All right, after that, we'll do literacy centers. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, da-da-da. We're going to look at the Lexia Core 5 reading data. You will be doing Lexia on your iPads today after we look at the data so that you can get some time in and pass some more units. We're also going to build CBC words. We're going to do beginning sounds, ending sound puzzles. We're going to read nonfiction books. And I'm going to be pulling one kid at a time to the back table to see what you know for dun 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 dun, dun VKRP Pals, Phonological Awareness Literacy Screening. All right, that Virginia Kindergarten Readiness Program. It's time for us to assess your letter ID and your sounds to see what you know. I'm so excited to see how much you have improved. All right, let's have a fantastic day. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our question for the T-chart is, dun, 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 do you like boxes? Well, do you? Think about your answer. Be a great communicator and share your reason why. Do you like boxes?